I'm currently programming my strength and HIIT workouts for the next few weeks on my Garmin Connect app, and I want to show you guys how to do that and how simple it actually is. So when we go into the workout section, which I'll back up for you, when you open the Garmin Connect app, you start at the home page, and from there you hit the More button, you go into Training and Planning, you click Workouts, and we are going to find workouts. This is the most efficient way if you don't want to create your own program from workouts that you've created yourself to schedule out on your Garmin Connect app to download onto your watch. So right now, I'm loving it. 10-minute body weight AMRAP. Why not? It's a good 10-minute workout. It shows me everything I'm going to hit. It shows the muscle spots. It shows the muscle groups that it's going to hit. It shows what I'm doing. Push-ups, burpees, squats, jumping jacks, mountain climbers. I'm going to hit View My Copy. You can see it here. And when you hit View My Copy, you can click this sync button up here, and I just put it straight onto my watch. But one step further from that is I want to actually schedule this out. I want to do this, let's say I want to do this on the 17th on a Monday. Boom. It is now inside my calendar. So from there, I'm going to choose a couple different exercises. So let's say I don't want to just choose from scrolling. I want to choose exactly what I'm doing. So I hit the 3 lines above. I'm going to go and hit the activity. I'm looking to do some more hits. And I don't want them to be more than 20 minutes right now. So I'm going to go on through and see what we have for those options. We have for under 20 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 options. So I'm going to do this 40-20 squat. Let's see how long this workout is. It's a 10-minute workout. I'm going to save it to my workouts. And then I'm going to sync it to my watch. And from there, I am going to add to my calendar, which I'll put it on the 19th. That's perfect. I have 2 HIIT workouts planned out. Let's do 2 strength workouts for the same week as well. So now I want to do strength workouts, and I can actually go into the workouts and create my own strength workouts, which is going to be a little more accurate. I have a whole video on how to do that right over here. But right now we want to make this simple and easy. So I'm going to go to the 3 tabs after, let me back up for you. After I hit find a workout, I'm going to hit the 3 tabs. I'm going to hit the activity, and I'm going to click strength. From there, I'm not going to put a timeline on it. I'm just going to hit apply, and we have it here. I'm going to do back to basics. That's a good one because I'm getting back to the basics here. So it looks like we have, it's hitting a bunch of muscle groups. It shows all the muscle groups like as before, but it has it here broken down. Barbell deadlifts, dumbbell bench press, goblet squat, cable roll standing, barbell strength, straight leg deadlift, medicine ball slams, and kettlebell swings. Honestly, this is a little much for me right now, so I'm going to back out of that one. And let's go back to, we'll say dumbbell body makeover. I have a bunch of dumbbells. This is perfect. I'll come on down. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 exercises. I love it. I'm going to save it to my workouts. I'm going to hit sync to my Forerunner. And then from there, I'm going to add to calendar, which I'll make it on the 18th. So now I need to add one more day, but let's get a little more specific as I did before with choosing options. We're going to go to the activity strength, and we're going to choose the duration to be less than 20 minutes. We have 2 options. Wow. Next one is the 3 body exercise. This is wild. It makes it super easy for me to choose, I guess. Right down here has everything broken out, just 5 sets. Here we go, saving it. Oops, don't want to do that. Syncing it to my watch. And then I am going to add to my calendar. We'll do it to the 20th. All right, y'all. So while I was editing this video, I realized an error button was popping up every single time I tried to schedule these workouts from the app. Now, I realized how to fix it. So when you get into the app and you go to the workouts and you find a workout, yes, you can click whichever one you want. Like right now, let me just choose AMRAP ab burnout. Awesome. But I have to click that button, save to my workouts. And it doesn't end there because you can't schedule it on your calendar with just that. What you need to do is actually back out again, go back to the AMRAP ab burnout, and then scroll to the bottom and see where it says view my copy. That's what you need to click because it's not yours until you view your copy. Once you do that, you can upload it to the watch. So I currently have my Forerunner 165 on, which if you want to figure out more about this watch, I highly suggest checking out this video. I have a full in-depth 9-month review, but let's get back to the video right now and click my Forerunner. I upload the workout to that. Then I can click the 3 buttons at the top right, hit add to calendar, and now I can add it into there. I'm going to put it on the 21st. Now, I'm reshooting this because the main thing you need to know about this is how to duplicate the workouts you've just picked so that you can have weeks upon weeks of a scheduled workout that you picked from the workouts Garmin Connect app has. So we're going to back out. I'm going to go all the way back, and then we're going to go to our calendar down at the bottom. Once we're down here, we can see these orange tabs are different workouts. We'll click into it. And when we're in here, you can see that I have the workout, but when you hit the top right, see if you can do this. All right, so this is awkward. I thought you could duplicate the workouts to make this an easier process. It does not seem like it is that way. So if you actually know how to do that, and if there is a way to actually duplicate the workouts to make scheduling out for weeks upon weeks, please leave that in the comments below. But for the meantime, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna have to go back to your workouts, and then the workouts you already have saved are down at the bottom. They say my workouts. You don't have to go in to find a workout anymore. So I wanna do more of my ab burnout. I'll click it, I go into it, top right, add to calendar, choose the 24th. And then you have to repeat for every single day that you want that workout to be scheduled. Now the Garmin Connect app is absolutely phenomenal with pairing with your watches to make your workouts super seamless and easy while you're actually doing the workouts. Where when I have the Forerunner 165, I can see the movements I need to do, but when I'm wearing my Vivoactive 6, it gives me diagrams of what I'm supposed to do with 3D models. And that's pretty awesome. There's a lot to every one of these watches, and that's exactly why I made another video that dives deep into how to actually use your Garmin watch, because most people don't do what I'm doing right here and look up how to utilize all the amazing features that Garmin gives to you after you own one of these watches. So check out that video, or check out the video right below it. You're probably gonna like it because you watched this one. Have a good one, y'all. Peace.